Hey guys, what's up? It's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this twisted Frosty the Snowman makeup body paint look. So if you want to see how I get it, just keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to be starting out by taking this LA Girl foundation. It's in a white shade and I'm just putting that all over my face and chest area using a beauty sponge. And then I'm going to be taking my James Charles Artistry palette and dipping into the white shade and setting all the white foundation so it doesn't move around too much. And then I'm going to be taking my Mayron Makeup Paradise Paint palette and taking the black shade. I'm going to be mapping out where I want my mouth to be. I'm going for a big creepy smile. And then taking some white paint, I'm going to be mapping out where I want the teeth to be. I'm just doing them very sharp and pointy, just little triangles for now. Taking some black paint again, I'm gonna be going around the teeth to shape them a little bit better, and I'm rounding out the tops of the teeth as well. I'm also going to be filling in all that extra space in the mouth so it can't see any of my natural skin. I am going around my eye sockets and filling that in. Then I'm going to be taking some black eyeliner and lining my waterline with that. And then I'm going to be setting that black paint with some black eyeshadow to take the shine away from the paint. Taking some orange paint, I am painting on a carrot nose. And also taking a sponge with the same orange paint, I put some color into my cheeks. And taking this burnt orange shade from the James palette, I put in some little lines in the nose to make it look more realistic to a carrot. And I'm putting some wrinkles into the face a little bit by the nose and eye area to make him look more mad and scary. And then I'm tracing the nose with some orange mixed with red paint. Taking some black eyeshadow, I'm going around the eye with that, blending out those edges. And I'm also blending around the mouth area with the black eyeshadow as well. Then I do these little curls at the ends of the mouth. I'm also putting some black shadowing around the carrot nose. For the chest, I'm just taking some brown paint mixed with a little bit of black, and I'm doing these little curly swizzle lines going down my neck. These are supposed to be like branches, since snowmans have branches coming out the arms. I thought it would be cool to have the branches coming down the neck for some reason. And I'm just doing little creepy cricket lines coming off of those swirls. And then I'm putting little black lines coming out of the mouth as well to give it more creepiness. Taking some Graftobian blood gel, I'm gonna be stippling on some fake blood around the mouth with the stippling sponge, and also on the chest area as well. So that's it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!